Hi, everyone. Meant to make this video yesterday, but had some connectivity issues at the school. So I'm making it this morning from my house. So I just wanted to, in addition to the other video I posted in the discussion forum, I wanted to get this one up to kind of help you get oriented to the class. So first is this welcome to the class video, just talking about what this is. This is an asynchronous course. That means we're not going to be meeting at any set times. I think somewhere on here, I'll say something about Zoom meetings on Mondays at 2, but that's a misprint. We're not going to have any set Zoom meetings because in my experience, students don't tend to show up. So if you ever want to meet with me though, all you have to do is email me and we can set up a one-on-one Zoom session. That'd be the best way to get through it. I have this link to the Start Here module, which I'll show you in just a second. But please remember, every Friday starting next Friday, there will be a homework assignment due. And every Tuesday, there will be a quiz due. But these will always be posted in the modules and on the calendar, so no surprises. So every week on Monday, sometimes on Sunday, but no later than Monday morning, I'm going to post a weekly announcement talking about what we're doing in a given week. For example, this week, we're just orienting you to the course and going over a little bit of Python. So that's what this announcement is about. So to get started, I'm asking you to read through the Start Here course introduction module. So when you click on one of those links, it takes you to this module right here, a module like this. So what I want you to do is go through all of these, the Welcome to Discrete Math. And this talks about what you're going to get from this module. And all of them have these little arrows you can click to go to the next one. So please read through these. There's my bio, there's my email, which is important to have. This next one talks about what you need. Now, we are using a free textbook that is linked here and always linked in the weekly announcements. So you don't have to buy a textbook. What you do have to buy is access to this online homework system, Edfinity. And I'll talk about that in just a second. When you do sign up for it, make sure you use your GGC email address and use the name that as it appears on D2L. That way the system will always be able to keep your grades updated. So we will be using calculators occasionally. If you already have one of these graphing calculators, feel free to use it, but there's no reason to go buy one because you can always use Desmos. This is a free online calculator. So this is an asynchronous course. That means you learn on your own. It's kind of self-paced in that you can decide when throughout the week you're going to do the work, but there are assignments that have deadlines. The homework and the quizzes do have deadlines. So read through this. It tells you a good way to go through learning the material. That is, at the beginning of each week, look at the announcement, look at the introduction page, my intro video, look over the notes and the videos, then work on your homework. Your Edfinity homework, you have as many tries as you need to get these done. So there's no problem with that. And then send me an email if you have any questions and I can address them. And then we can set up a virtual help session. And then after you've done the homework, then you can try the quizzes because the quizzes are timed and you only have 2 attempts to do those. So here is the typo that I was talking about, that this is no longer accurate. We're not having these Zoom sessions at Mondays anymore because people tend to not show up. I think last semester when I did this, people showed up to only 2 of them. So instead, I'm just going to let you schedule your own individual Zoom sessions if you need them. So here's how grades are determined. 10% will be participating in discussions, 30% from quizzes, 30% from homework, and 15% for the midterm, 15% for the final. So you can click these drop-down accordions to read more details about these. And I encourage you to do that. Again, if you have any questions, email me. You can call, but this is a Teams phone number. So unless I'm at my computer, I'm not going to get the call. So email's better. Email me, no Zoom sessions, and I'll fix these where it says this. I'll fix this after I finish making this video. Contact me. We have the AEC, the Academic Enhancement Center, for free tutoring. We have online tutoring by going to the free online tutoring at the top of the D2L menu. You can talk to other classmates and set up a circle in. That's something that GGC offers. We can form study groups with your classmates. If you want more resources, just let me know and I'll see what I can find. Two more things in the Start Here module that I want you to look at. One of them is or three more actually. One is the student schedule. So oh, this formatting got messed up. I'll have to, D2L does that sometimes. If you download it, then the formatting is better. Here we go. Sorry for that pause and that cut. Here's the student schedule with the formatting fixed. So it has every assignment, everything we cover every week, when all the homework assignments are due, when the quiz assignments are due, info about the midterm, which I'll give you when we get there, and then stuff about the final. So there's that. Also, in the course introduction, we have the syllabus. So please go through the syllabus, read through it. It's mostly stuff that I've covered in class, main things that, that I've covered in this video. I do have this grading scale, standard grading scale, but please read through the syllabus. And also, I have a link to an Edfinity demo. So when you click on that link, it's going to open up Edfinity, and it's going to ask you to register and enroll. You have to buy an access code. You can either get that through the GGC bookstore, where it costs about $40, or buy it directly from Edfinity, where it costs about $25. It's totally up to you, but that's how you get set up with that. So that's all that's in the course reduction module. So please go through look at everything in the tools module. And then we do have two assignments due this Friday. I have a mandatory introduction discussion post. Make sure you do that. Click on that link and then post in the discussion board. And then a mandatory attendance quiz. This is just a short 4-question quiz to show that you are participating in the class. And then you can do the demo homework assignment. So once you've done all that, you can go ahead and get started with the material for the course, which is going to be the first part of Python. I have 2 different lecture videos to watch, but no other assignments that are due. The Python homework assignment is linked in the Python module. Feel free to start it, but it's not going to be due until next Friday. So I think that's all. Again, let me know if you have any questions at all, and I can answer them. And I'll talk to you soon.